Have you ever encountered a firmly closed door on your path, only to realize later that it was perhaps the best outcome? Today, we're diving deep into the art of overcoming rejection, inspired by the timeless wisdom of the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine a world where every no you face doesn't stop you in your tracks, but instead propels you forward with renewed strength and clarity. Rejection, often tied to feelings of pain or failure, can actually become a catalyst for greatness. It's less about bending fate to our will and more about recognizing that sometimes the universe's no is simply a disguised invitation to something even better. Have you ever felt invisible, dismissed, or undervalued? It's time to rewrite that narrative. In today's discussion, we'll explore 13 profound lessons designed to help you turn rejection into a source of power and motivation. These lessons aren't just lofty ideals. They are actionable strategies grounded in real-world experience. They offer practical ways to reshape how you perceive rejection, using it as fuel for growth rather than a mark of defeat. Before we dive into these life-changing lessons, let's make sure that this message of resilience reaches as many people as possible. If you find value in our shared insights, please support our community by liking this video and ringing the notification bell. Your engagement not only encourages us to keep sharing this content, but also signals that you're ready to embrace a journey of transformation. Now, let's embark together on this journey to transform rejection from an obstacle into an opportunity. By the end of this, you'll see that each no isn't an ending, but a pivotal step toward your greatest potential. Number 1, disregard them too. When life greets you with a cold shoulder, resist the urge to shrink back, rise above it. Choosing to disregard those who disregard you isn't about pettiness. It's a profound statement of self-worth. If someone deems you unworthy of their time or attention, it's a reflection on them, not you. By choosing not to engage, you're sending a clear message. I deserve better. It's as if you're holding up a mirror, letting them see their own actions while you remain composed and unaffected. But how can you manage this without falling into bitterness? The key lies in shifting your focus inward. Direct your energy toward activities that enrich and fulfill you. Whether it's reading, engaging in sports, learning new skills, or enjoying the company of people who genuinely value you. Let the sting of rejection fuel your personal growth, helping you build a foundation of self-respect strong enough to deflect indifference. This approach isn't about retaliation or proving a point. It's about thriving in spite of rejection. By choosing this path, you demonstrate emotional maturity and resilience. It reinforces the idea that your worth is not contingent upon anyone else's acknowledgement. When you stay true to yourself, pursuing what makes you happy, your actions become more powerful than any silence or indifference you encounter. Number 2, remove them from your mind. When you encounter rejection, mastering the art of detachment becomes essential. Acknowledge the sting of rejection, but don't allow it to dominate your thoughts. Rather than viewing rejection as a roadblock, consider it a guiding signal, steering you toward new opportunities. Use this experience as a source of transformative energy, moving through challenges with poise and resilience. Engage in activities that nourish your soul and broaden your horizons. Embrace every new experience as part of your journey in self-discovery. Surround yourself with positivity. Connect with people who uplift and inspire you. Such interactions foster mutual growth, reminding you that rejection doesn't define your worth. Instead, it opens a door to rediscovering and reinventing yourself. With each new endeavor, strengthen your inner resilience. Become a more grounded version of yourself, ready to face life's challenges with renewed purpose and unshakable determination. Number 3, demonstrate your value. When faced with rejection, view it as an opportunity to prove your resilience and worth. Instead of letting it weigh you down, channel your energy into constructive action. Redirect your focus to projects and goals that let you showcase your talents and dedication unhindered by anyone else's oversight. Remember, rejection doesn't define your value. It simply guides you toward paths that better align with your strengths and passions. Embrace setbacks as setups for remarkable comebacks, weaving a story of success founded on perseverance and determination. By demonstrating empathy and understanding through difficult times, you not only grow stronger, but also wiser. Rejection is not the end of your journey. It's a turning point, a vital chapter in your story of personal growth and fulfillment. Use it to fuel your momentum forward, emerging with renewed vigor and purpose. Number 4, don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting, often tempting us to react impulsively or emotionally. However, Stoicism offers a powerful alternative. Instead of giving in to frustration or sadness, embrace resilience. When you're faced with rejection, resist the urge to seek validation or express resentment. Stoic principles remind us to respond thoughtfully, focusing not on suppressing emotions but on mastering them. If you feel overlooked or dismissed, pause and take a step back. Often it's not the rejection itself, but our insecurities that magnify the hurt. Concentrate on your actions and responses rather than dwelling on the behavior of others. Stay composed, polite, and kind, even when tempted to reach out for reassurance. Respond genuinely, free from expectations, to embody emotional mastery. Remember, your self-worth isn't determined by others' approval. It's shaped by how you respond to adversity. Mastering calmness in the face of rejection isn't about merely coping, it's about thriving. It's a path to building unshakable self-confidence, where external validation loses its power over you. Embracing this mindset projects strength and resilience, qualities that naturally attract and inspire others. Number 5, act as if they don't exist. When faced with indifference, the most impactful response often lies in silent strength. Instead of exhausting your energy on those who overlook you, turn your attention toward people who genuinely value your presence. In unavoidable interactions, maintain professionalism and civility, but avoid pouring emotional energy into one-sided relationships. By prioritizing your well-being and seeking out meaningful connections, you communicate that your time and attention are valuable. Choosing not to engage in fruitless endeavors isn't a sign of weakness. It's a powerful act of self-respect and discernment. Embrace the strength that comes from walking away, recognizing that your energy is best spent on relationships and pursuits that contribute to your growth and fulfillment. Number 6, don't beg for attention. Stoicism encourages us to ground ourselves in our intrinsic worth, free from the need for others' approval. Instead of seeking validation through external attention, focus on cultivating inner fulfillment through personal growth and self-discovery. Engage in activities that align with your passions and values, prioritizing authenticity over fleeting approval. This journey of self-improvement isn't about proving anyone wrong, but about embracing your unique strengths and aspirations. Resist the urge to perform for the attention or validation of others, recognizing that true confidence comes from within. By centering on personal development and well-being, you redefine success on your own terms, liberated from the need for external affirmation. Number 7, don't reveal your struggle. When facing rejection, resist the urge to broadcast your struggles or seek validation from others. Instead, maintain composure, embodying the essence of Stoic resilience. Acknowledge your feelings without allowing them to control your actions or diminish your self-assurance. Facing adversity with grace and poise reveals your inner strength, reinforcing your commitment to personal growth. The Stoics viewed rejection as an inevitable part of life, anticipating challenges as opportunities for resilience. Seneca, for instance, started each day by mentally preparing for possible obstacles, from storms to sickness, believing that nothing unexpected should disrupt a wise person's peace. This practice of readiness allowed him to accept both setbacks and successes with equal calm. By adopting this Stoic approach, you transform rejection into a stepping stone towards self-discovery, fortifying yourself with every experience.